architecture. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
We are the researcher of Bachelor of Physical Education 3, and my name is Desiree Andaguia, and my partner is Maria Jessica Binabae, and we're conducting a research study entitled More Than Moves, Uncovering the Transformative Power of Dance for Mental Health. So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you a current student of Central Philippine State University main campus in Cabancalan City?
Yes, I am Erica Odogunan, a student of Central Philippine State University.
In what program are you enrolled?
I am currently enrolled in the BTEC program.
Do you engage in dance and have been actively competing in dance competition?
Yes, sir. Since I am in high school, nag-enroll ko sa mga dance competition such as festivals, sinulog, jakan, kag mga gagman ng hip-hop competition sa aming barangay.
How many years have you already engaged in dance competition?
I could say that it would be 3 to 4 years.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the impact of dance to your self-confidence and self-esteem?
Sinigad ng mahuliyaan ko, tapos natahat ko magstorya sa mga tao kaya gawa minsan kung negative sa akong kaugalingan na sinulit ko din na i-istorya mo nila. Tapos ano to, pagka nag-intran ako mga dance competition ng nakamit ko ni people, tapos nakapamisa ko, wala, hindi inid ko gali, na negative na, nang deserve ko man dili na disipon ko. Tapos, nang na-realize ko man na ma-express ko man dili ang akong kaugalingon in an artistic way.
Okay, so based on your experience, how can you say that the impact of dance to your mental health is somehow similar to other form of physical activities or exercises?
Scientifically, if nag-engage ka physical activity, nadala naman ang dance mo. Nag-produce sa ating brain sa mga positive na happy hormones pa ang nilagay na tawag. So, I could say na amo-amo lang sila scientifically. Pero kung sa mentally ko yan, nang confident ko. Confident ko kaya ko dalon akong kaugalingan bisan diin ko dalon.
How have you experienced a stress reduction after engaging in dance?
Yes. Usually amo na akong aside sa ibang kong hobbies, dancing ang stress reliever ko mo kay do depende pagid sa sa style pagid sa sa saot pagid pang cramping, di ba? May angle din na yan. Pwede mo daw pa-upwas mo.
Would you recommend dance as a therapeutic tool for enhancing mental well-being? Why or why not?
Yes, I can recommend it, especially sa mga student na mga body weakness technique. Wala kay magana din na ang ila utok sa through bodily movement.
Thank you very much.